Yo, CAE, let's kick it. CAE is on the mic. Alright, stop. Evaluate and listen. C is back with a brand new invention. Something grabs a hold of you tightly, slams like a windstorm daily and nightly. Will it ever stop? Yo, hell no. Turn on the bass and let it blow to the extreme. So it's hitting like an earthquake, slamming and jamming. Yeah, we're gonna make the ground shake. Hit your chest, slamming hard like boom. Anything less than the best is a felony. Love it or leave it, bass is here to stay. You better charge the battery, your bass don't play. If there's a problem, bass will solve it. Check out the hooks, yeah, E revolves it. Bass, 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 bass. Now that the bass is pumping, with the power kicked in and the subs are jumping, quick to the point, no faking. Slamming bass drops like a pound of bacon, burning. If you ain't quick and nimble, I go crazy when I hear a cymbal and a hi-hat with a souped up tempo. I'm on a roll, it's time to go solo, rolling in my 5.0 with my boom boom loud so my hair can blow. The girlies on standby, waving just to say hi. Did you stop? No, I just bassed by, kept on facing to the next stop. I buzz a left and I'm heading to the next block. The block was dead, yo, so I continue to head on down Bayfront Avenue. Girls were hot, wearing less than bikinis. Big bass systems, hot Lamborghinis. Jealous, cause I'm out getting mine. You got 4 subs, I got 9. Ready for the chunks at the mall. The chunks acting up because they're full of 8 ball. Bass drops, slam hard on the ground, I hit the knob. All I heard was bass, slamming on the drug concrete real hard. Jumped in my car trying to get it in park. Bumper, the parking lot's packed. I'm trying to turn it down before I burn up the rack. Police on the scene, you know what I mean. They pass me up, confronted all the bass fiends. If there's a problem, bass will solve it. Check out the hook, see AE drops it. Bass, bass, bass. Bass.